everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is NK. What a weekend it's been. It was Halloween weekend and I'm still recuperating. It's Monday, November 1st. Happy November as well. I needed to just take a day. So this is my self-care day. I woke up and I've just been resting, but also just doing the housekeeping stuff. So I clean in my apartment. We have chores. I am on bathroom, so the bathroom is now spotless, which here it is. Cleaned everything, and it's just nice to have like a clean start. I woke up, I decided to clean and then just rearrange my room and make sure that that was all set. I went to Trader Joe's and to Target. Trader Joe's, I just needed food for the 2 weeks. I actually got 2 weeks worth of food, so I don't have to go for a while, which is great. Then I first went to Target and got cleaning supplies just for the apartment, so we have extra stuff that we've needed. I also got candles, so I can show you guys the candles. They are, I got a few. I'm just really obsessed with candles. So I got this one, the eggnog latte. It smells so good, but currently I'm burning this one. I saw it just all by itself and it looked so cute. It is cashmere and birch. Cashmere and birch. This is a better look of the candle. It's so pretty. Yes. So, we're still in fall and it gives very much fall vibes. I still need to journal for the day. Today's just been a little hard to just get everything situated, but my room was honestly a tornado this morning, so I'm glad that I tidied up. I'm listening to the chilled R&B playlist on Spotify. I do recommend that for anyone who loves just really calming music. It's been great to just like put things away and tidy up and have that playing in the background. So yeah, I've already done my room tour, so nothing new, but I just wanted to show that I have everything set up. That is a mountain full of some of my friend's stuff that she let me borrow, but also I have returns to make at Whole Foods through Amazon, so I'm not sure when I'm gonna do that. It is currently also raining outside, which is not fun. Like you can see, rain is present. I should also open this up more. So it is a rainy November 1st, but we are pushing through. So I don't know if I will do Whole Foods today. I might not, but we'll see. I have to organize some of my fall stuff as well, just to see what I need to shoot for brands, but also just for my own content. I definitely know after festivals, I get very a little sad and in the dumps, and I just wanted to take some time for myself and remember that even though I have a long list of things I have to do for work, I need to take care of myself first. That's something that I want this channel to also be about. Like I said, the authenticity and just like sharing everything, the good and the bad, as I am. Like I don't look great right now. I just literally, this is how I went to sleep. Haven't even showered, but that's real life. No sugarcoating here. Also, here is the wristband from Outside Lands. So I went 2 single days, so I have 2 different ones, one Saturdays, one Sunday. And I kind of just don't want to take it off because it's just such a fun remembrance of, I had a great weekend. I lived it up. My feet are so sore because at a music festival, you're walking miles and miles. Also, this is my first music festival in 2 years. I was just so happy. I definitely pushed my body to its like peak because I was just jumping around, running around, drinking, having a good time, dancing, laughing, screaming, the whole thing. So I woke up today just really tired and just weak, and so I will be hibernating for most of this week in terms of like, I'm not going out or doing anything extraneous. I'm just gonna chill, and that's exactly, that is exactly what I need to do. I will be taking a shower later, but right now I also, in the spirit of self-care and everything, as I'm just walking in my apartment, I did light some candles throughout the apartment as well. Like I showed you the one in my room, and I lit them all throughout because aromatherapy is just so amazing. Like, this is another one. This is one I bought at Target when I went today. I like having like a different scent in each room pretty much, but this is the one I bought at Target. These are like the $5 ones. I recommend them because they're like 20 ounces, but I wanted more of a like fall citrusy scent. So that's that. I still have a pumpkin because it's still fall. People want to just skip to Christmas and everything and winter. It's like, guys, it's not. It is still fall. It's still fall. We're still in the fall mood, fall vibes, and we're gonna keep it going. Also, in the spirit of self-care and all, I decided to make myself like a nicer breakfast. So I did cheesy eggs. I did rosemary garlic potatoes, and then I'm making bacon right now. Spirit of just having a feel-good day to really recuperate from this extraneous weekend. I wanted to just treat myself and make myself a breakfast that I don't usually make. All my favorite things. Happy about that. So I also, like I said, I went to Trader Joe's, and I always get so happy when I go to Trader Joe's because I get to restock my fridge. So I got literally all of my favorite things. Some things that I don't usually get. Again, spirit of self-care. This cheese is actually phenomenal. So I like to get this, not even every time because I try not to eat too much cheese, but you know, I'm just gonna do it because I felt like it. This chicken soup is amazing. I always get my salads, so I always get like 3 to 4. I always get salmon. There's some things that I definitely know that I just always get, so that's kind of the regular things like eggs and orange juice, lots of veggies, really trying to be good at veggies. I have my kale, I have broccoli and grapes, and just a bunch of stuff in here, quite honestly. So I'm excited to just have that for the next few weeks. I also caved and got pizza because I've been craving pizza, and I usually, again, I don't get a lot from the cold section. New month and I'm just feeling different. Also, this is super good too, the chicken burrito bowl. Amazing. I got fruits and vegetables, lemons, bell peppers, bananas, avocado. So I have that for the week, for the 2 weeks, I guess. And then I restocked this as well, my dry food section. I needed emergency because I try to take one every day. Then I got more almond milk, I got more oatmeal. This oatmeal, I've mentioned before that I'm just a big oatmeal girl now, or recently. This is one I get from Trader Joe's, I love it. Like I said, I got almond milk. And up here, so I got some more pasta sauce. I got these crackers to eat with the cheese I got. I haven't had these in so long, but I know that I love them. So they're the barbecue chips. These are my tried and true. Like whenever I'm rushing, I need like an easy food. So I've been out of these for a while. I get the chocolate brownie. So I usually pick up 3 to 4 at a time. I got more tortilla chips for my salsa. This is the bread I love eating with my avocado toast. And then more potatoes. I think that is all that I got. Oh, then I did also get this dark chocolate with, this is, this is one with almonds. Okay, I actually got the wrong one. I usually get the truffle one, but it's okay. I will definitely still eat it.